Hello to everybody. As usual, this is Robotic. Today we are going to see a nice video which shows the top 5 secret codes. We are going to see the secret codes that you can tap on your Android phone and you get a different result you didn't know. So first one is the code. So first of all, go on your dialer, then reach here. After this, sometime you can face the problem of call waiting. Maybe your call waiting on your phone have been disabled. So I'm going to show you the code that you can type and you enable call waiting. Call waiting means it is when you are talking to the phone and another one wants to talk to you and directly can get you online, can talk to you directly. So now we are going to see how to deactivate, how to turn off your call waiting. First of all, press #4 #. Then if you wish to just to deactivate on MTN Rwanda or Airtel Rwanda, you choose the SIM card. Then use MTN, the second one. Then click here. Then my code started. To mean here you will get a message which says call waiting service have been disabled. So here you can see the call waiting services has been disabled. Now you can ask yourself, how can you activate it again? How can you enable it again? So it's another secret code that you can type and you enable it. So just click on *43#. So *43#. So this is the way of activating. So you have seen that I have deactivated. Let me show you how you can activate it. Then you will choose the SIM card, the second one, and my code started. Then call waiting service was enabled. So guys, this is how you can activate and deactivate your call waiting. So I think this is the interesting one. So another code that I have prepared for you, it's how to check your IMEI number, email number. So it's the same. Just click *06 then #. So immediately the email number will come in your screen. So guys, this was the third one. The fourth secret code I have prepared for you. So it's how to see just call forwarding number, and call forwarding status. So you have just listened about call forwarding. Call forwarding is when someone has missed you and the call forwarded to another one you have just set. So we are going to see how to see the call forwarding number, how to see the number which your calls is forwarded to. So go on your phone dialer as usual, press star hash 67 hash. After, then press on, choose a SIM card, choose number 2, MIS code. So call forwarding voice, not forwarded. Then a second, this is the synchronization is not forwarded. So to mean my phone call forwarding is deactivated. So guys, if your calls are forwarded to any number, you will find it here if that number is set. So another code, it's about just how to call forwarding status. To mean it is how will I now forwarding status is, how it is. Okay? Just click on star hash 21 hash, then this SIM card, choose. So call forwarding, the voice is not forwarded on my phone. So guys, thank you very much. Thank you for watching. I would like just to ask you to subscribe, share, comment,